Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Fenlo Oval Future desk, and it comes with a lamp, as you saw, and it's adjustable right here. So it has a little bit of an arm up here, and it adjusts so you can have it straight down lighting, or you can kick it out to the side. It's mid-century modern design with the kicked out legs, which I like a lot. We'll scroll down to show that. There we go. And then on the left side, we're going to go back up to what the power panel has to offer. So in the front, here is your light switch. Now this does not have to be on in order for these to work. So all three of these, once this is plugged into the wall, these will work all the time. This is just a switch for the light switch. And it's just a small part that fits underneath the desk. They have three different designs. I like the wood design. They have white and black as well. And to attach the lamp part, it's very simple. It all comes as one piece from here all the way down. And you just feed the pieces in through the hole that's right here, and it attaches securely underneath the table. Now we all know how difficult IKEA furniture can be to assemble. I assembled all of this with no directions to see how well I could do, and I didn't need any directions, so it worked out well. It even comes with an LED lamp right here. Now this shade came in a very small flat pack piece. It is magnetic right here. So all you have to do is do that and it snaps into place. So easy, and the metal rings on the inside, they snap to the shade. It looks perfectly round. It's not unsightly at all. I really like how I can hide the seam right here so it's not outward facing to the rest of the room. This is Fenlo's Oval Future Desk with power. They have other designs as well as square in those three different colors. I like the mid-century modern legs, and those are very easy to install. They just screw right onto the bottom. Took me about 15 minutes to get everything together with no instructions. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.